To start over with your site, you can start a new trial, reset style settings, or reinstall your template. The simplest way to start over completely is to start a new 14-day trial. From the home menu, click on your avatar. Then create a new site. You can select any template to start your new site with. Then get to work building your website with this new design. This lets you work on a new site and keep your current site active. Before you choose this option, note that it isn't possible to transfer billing subscriptions or content between sites. When your new site is ready, upgrade the new site to paid service. To use a new template on the same site, you can switch templates without starting over. From the Template menu, click Install New Template. Here, you can select which template you would like to use to update your existing website. Once this is done, your new template will be installed on the Template panel. Click Preview on your new template, then click Set as Live Template, and click Confirm. Your pages will move to your Not Linked section so you can move your content onto a new site design. You can also reset your template style tweaks to their defaults. In the Home menu, click Design, and then click Site Styles. Now scroll down and click Reset All to Defaults. Click Confirm. Another option is you can uninstall and reinstall your template to delete all changes made on your site. Reinstalling the template restores some of its demo content. To reinstall your current template, you'll need to temporarily install a different template. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.